In this video I'm going to show you how to download a program from the internet and install it. So we'll double click on our browser, which is Google Chrome, and once that starts up we'll go down here and the name of the program's Ease US. You can see there the top entry is Ease US Todo Backup. And this is a backup program for you're backing up your data on your computer. So I'm going to click the free download. Now they have 3 programs listed. This is the one I'm interested in. Okay, free. I'm going to download that. It's asking for my email address. I'll just type that in. Okay, try Todo Backup for free. Okay, click the download link here and you'll see it downloading down here in the bottom left hand corner. So you just wait till that's finished. So it's 2.9 of 2.9 meg. Once them numbers disappear, you should be ready to install. Okay, there we go. We can double left click now to install it. Okay, there we go. Let's go to start installing. We can now close this internet window. We don't need it anymore. Any installer will come up there. It's English. Next. Try the home edition. Now it is going to install in C program files. That's correct. Now this is just an advertisement. We can just decline that and that'll start installing. I'll just put it on pause because this could take some time. Okay, the program's now been installed, so we click finish. Now if we hit close, the program will launch. I'll untick that with close. Now to run the program you just double click on the icon, go yes, and the program will start to open. It's asking for a license code, but we've got a trial so we'll just go later, and there's a program all installed.